Yeah, 13.5 optional exercise, surface areas and volumes. First sum. There is a copper wire 3 mm in diameter. There is a copper wire 3 mm in diameter wound around a cylinder. There is a cylinder. This is a cylindrical pipe like sort of thing, whose length is 12 centimeters. This length is 12 centimeters. Okay. And diameter is 10 centimeters. Diameter of this is 10 centimeter. Okay, around this a copper wire is wound. Okay, find the length and the mass of the wire. Find the length of the wire and mass of the wire. If density of copper is given as 8.88 gram per centimeter square. Gram per cc. Gram per cc. Okay, this is the question. Now, how to do such type of questions? So, if you read carefully the question, he is saying that wire is wound around the cylinder. Wire is wound around the cylinder. Please check the question properly before doing the sum. Wire is wound around the cylinder. They have said. Means there is a wire like this. There is a wire like this. This is wound around it. Hope you are able to understand. Okay. Okay, around it like this. So after winding, if you see after winding you can see like this. Okay. What happens? Only you can see the wire like this, which is wound around it. Can you see? Only wire we can see like this. Please check. This is a wire which is wound around it without gaps actually, but why I'm drawing gaps means so that you will understand. No gap should be there in the middle. No gap should be. This is the wire which is wound around it. In the middle there are no gaps, but why I'm drawing gaps means so that you will understand. And the diameter of the wounded wire is 3 mm. This one. Only this part is 3 mm. Question is, what is the length of this wire, which is wound around it, and what is the mass? This is the question. So children, basically, see there is no gap here. I'm saying again and again, there is no gap. Just to make you understand, I'm showing. After winding only wide you can see, you cannot see middle gaps also. In this 12 centimeters, how many 3 mm's are there? You should find out first. In this 12 centimeters length, how many 3 mm's are there? Because we can see only 3 mm's. No? How many 3 mm coils are there? 3 will come down. N is equal to 12 centimeter by 3 mm. Mm to centimeter by 10. Mm to centimeter by 10. So 40 turns are there. 40 turns are there. These are 14 number are there. They are 14 number are there. One turn is equal to one turn is equal to one round. Means one circumference. One turn is equal to one round. That is means one perimeter. So 40 turns means 40 perimeters. 40 perimeters. 40 perimeters. 40 perimeters. 40 rounds will give you the length of the wire. Simple. One round is one perimeter. Like that, how many are there? 40. 40 into perimeters. 40 into perimeters will give you the total length of the wire. Simple logic. That's all. Okay. Try to understand. Try to understand. Okay. So 40 turns are there. I'm explaining here. 40 turns are there. 40 into 2 pi r. So 40 into 2 into 3.14 into this radius. We should not take this one. We should take this one because this wire is wound around this one. This wire is wound around this one. So this radius we should take. How much is the radius? 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. If you take like this, 5 2s are 10. 10 4s are 40. 40. So see here, 5 2s are 10. 10 10s are 100. 400. 3.14 into 400. Okay. So this point and the zeros will go away. So final answer 314 into 4, that is 4 4 60, 4 1 4 5 12 1256 centimeters is the length of the wire. Is the length of wire which is wound around it. This is only length of the wire. Till now what we did is length of the wire. Please try to understand. 40 turns I got length of the wire. Now again I'm saying 40 terms are there. 40 into 2 pi r I did. I got 1256 centimeters is the length of the wire which is wound, which is the wound. This wire length is 1256. Now he's asking, first question is over. Mass is equal to density is equal to mass by volume. See, density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is equal to volume into density. Volume of the wire into density. Density is already given. We have to find out volume. We have to find out volume. Okay. So for finding volume, volume of wire is a cylinder, pi square inch. So 3.14. Now we have to take radius of the wire. 3 mm. Okay, mm is the diameter, by 2 you should do. 3 by 2. Okay, say radius. Mm to centimeters by 10. Mm to centimeters by 10. And length of the wire is 1256. 1256. Okay, children. This you have to do like this.
8 by 20, sir.
3 by 20. 3 by 20. 3 by 20. Okay, carefully you have to do. All of you, please check here. So 2 6 are 2 are 8 are this 2 3 are 1 are 4 are. Okay, here also 100 is there, 3.14 into this 100 will go for 3.14 into 9. Okay, this will give you only volume. Okay, this will give you volume. So 3.14 into 3.14 into 9. How much is that? 88.7364 cc. This is only cc volume. Now final point I have to do weight, mass. Mass is equal to density into volume. Mass is equal to density into volume. I'm doing here. So mass is equal to density into volume. Density how much? 8.88 they have given here. And volume how much you got? 88.7364. 7364. So 8.88 if you do into how much you get? 787.97. 787.97 grams. No, sir, we will convert into kgs. Means if you want to convert into kgs, by 1000 you do. By 1000 means 0.78 kgs. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Slowly, first you copy all of it, then I will clear your doubts. First, I have found out how many coils are there. 40. Then 40 into 2 pi r if I did, I got 1256 as the length. After getting the length, then I found out volume of the wire as I got it. Now mass is equal to density into volume. Density 8.88 into volume which I got here. That I both I multiplied 787.97 grams is the mass of the wire. I want in kgs means 0.78 kgs. So 40 length, volume, mass. 4 steps are there. What are the 4 steps? First find number of coils, number of turns, then find out length, then find out volume, then find out mass. Any sum when you are doing, first you have to program it in your brain. Algorithm you should write, what you should think, what you should do, everything. Once you write, then you will understand. Okay, I found out the number of coils, then I found out the length, then I found out the volume. Okay, then I found out the mass. Okay, please copy it on easy. First copy it on all of you. If you copy, then I will clear your doubts. First copy it on all of you.